Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. This is your maths lecture and maths lecture on grade 3rd, and here we are, see, this is your maths lecture and maths lecture of grade 3rd, and here we are discussing chapter number 4 and its name is long and short, as you all know. See beta, here we have discussed so many things and I have told you several activities related to this chapter, right? So let's revise it fast. Let's have a quick revision and after that we will start today's topic. So here in this class we have learned in long and short that how we decide that something is long or something is short. How do we decide this? We decide this by measuring the things, and for measuring the things we have some specific items through which we take the help in measuring objects, right? As I have introduced you with scale. You all know that scale is used for measuring. Okay, then second thing I have introduced you with the measuring tape. So another thing is measuring tape. Measuring tape, and in this we have learned about this also. After that I introduced you with the different measuring units, and where I also told you that when we measure through scale then we have a limit. We have a limit that we can only measure in centimeters by using scale, right? मैंने आपको ये बताया था कि जब हम स्केल से मेजर करते हैं तो उस टाइम पे हम सिर्फ सेंटीमीटर्स तक का मेजर कर सकते हैं. So here I have introduced with the term centimeter also, right? After that we have discussed about measuring tape, or then I explained you that why we use measuring tape, because when objects have longer length, जब ऑब्जेक्ट्स की लंबी लेंथ होती है और हम उन्हें स्केल से मेजर नहीं कर सकते, एट दैट टाइम वी यूज मेजरिंग टेप और इंच टेप यू कैन से, एंड एट दैट टाइम वी द जनरल दैट यूनिट वी यूज इज मीटर्स. हम उस समय सबसे ज्यादा यूज किसका करते हैं? मीटर्स का करते हैं. And then after that I have told you one more unit that is related to distance. That is related to distance. Where I explained you that when we have to measure the distance and a longer distance, then we use another unit that is called kilometers, and we represent it with the help of km. That is called kilometers. So this all we have discussed. After that I have introduced you with several activities that I hope that you people have performed at your home, and I hope that you all are able to now measure the objects, right? Now beta, today if you all have seen previous videos, so you all know that I have given you one question for homework. अगर आप सब ने वीडियोस देखी होंगी इससे पहले वाली, तो मैंने आप सबको एक होमवर्क दिया था जिसमें मैंने आपको एक क्वेश्चन दिया था अबाउट सेंटीमीटर्स एंड मीटर्स, एंड एट दैट टाइम आई टोल्ड यू दैट आई विल ओनली एक्सप्लेन एंड आई विल नॉट टेल द आंसर्स. ये मैंने आपको बताया था कि मैं सिर्फ आपको एक्सप्लेन करूंगी बट आंसर्स नहीं बताऊंगी. बट एट द सेम टाइम देयर ओनली आई टोल्ड यू दिस ऑल्सो दैट वी विल डिस्कस दीज आंसर्स लेटर ऑन. So first in today's class, let's start from there only. So kindly open page number 56. Page number 56 of your book. So now see, this is page number 56, and in this page number you can see that some things are about some object is mentioned here, and we have to decide that whether this object belongs to meters or to centimeters. Okay, so let's see which of these will be in centimeters and which will be in meters. This was the question and I have explained you everything. So here now I'll just read the question and tell you the answer simply. Okay, no more discussion we will do here on this question. So first one, width of a computer screen. मैंने आपको बताया था width माने चौड़ाई. तो width of the computer screen अगर हम देखेंगे तो किस में मेजर करेंगे? देखिए, you can use scale for measuring doing that as I have explained you, and I also told you usually you all have computers or laptops at your home, but those who are not having, even I also explained you that no need to worry, because you all have seen that computers or laptops at your home in your school also. So बेटा I have explained you. अब आपने, अगर आपको याद हो तो कंप्यूटर्स इतने इतने बड़े तो नहीं होते, इतने इतने से उनकी विड्थ होती है, so simply it will come under centimeters. So the first one answer is centimeters. Now see second one, length of a पगड़ी worn by Sikhs. अब देखिए मैंने इसमें बताया था, अब पगड़ी जो होती है, अगर आपको याद होगा तो you have seen several folds are there, कई सारे folds होते हैं. Yes. So how, just think about कि वो folds कैसे बनते होंगे. जब हमारे क्लॉथ की या हमारे क्लोथ की लेंथ जब लॉन्ग होगी तभी तो ये पॉसिबल होगा ना. So this comes under meters. Yes, meters. Now then third one, height of a 1-year-old child. 1-year-old child is too small, so we can measure his or her height with the help of scale only, and that is called the centimeter. Okay, here we can use unit centimeter for that. Now coming another one, length of a banana, again centimeter. Now I don't think that every time I have to explain you why I am using centimeter or meter here, because this already I have explained, and now you all are able to answer these. Now see, waist of an elephant. As I told you, waist means कमर, and you know that elephant is giant. So when if any animal is giant, so just think about this कि अगर आप उसकी कमर को measure करोगे तो definitely वो बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ी होगी. So it comes under meter only. Okay. Then next one, height of a sugarcane, again in meters. This all I have explained. Now simply I am telling you the answers here. Depth of a well, again meter. Then another one, height of your mother, again in meters. Then next we have distance from classroom to a school gate. Distance from classroom to a school gate is again in meters. Okay, meters. And then another one, length of your father's arm, it is in centimeters. So beta, this is the exercise that was given homework. This is on page number 56. This exercise is available, you can see there. I hope that you have done this, because I have given earlier only, and if you have not done, then also you should try first it by yourself, then only just check the answers. Don't just write from board. Okay, just first try to do by yourself, and after that you can check from here. Now it's time to see today's another topic, or we can say today's topic, because here right now we have discussed questions that was given in previous video as homework. Now open page number 58. Okay, open page number 58 of your book, and here we have one exercise, that is match the correct length. Now before doing this exercise, I just want to tell you something. See beta, I have this book, this is new book, so I am having this exercise here, but maybe those who were having old edition, maybe they were not having the same exercise, so no need to worry. If this exercise is in your book, then you can do the same. If it is not, then no need to worry, just listen here and understand the concept, leave that. Okay, अगर ये एक्सरसाइज आपकी बुक में है तो आप यहाँ से समझिए और कर लीजिए. अगर ये एक्सरसाइज आपकी बुक में नहीं है तो देयर इज नो नीड टू वरी. आपको जो मैं बता रही हूँ उसे समझिए एंड जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड द कंसेप्ट. नो नीड टू डू. अगर है ही नहीं तो आप बुक में कैसे करेंगे. ओके, सो नो नीड टू वरी अबाउट दिस. So beta, in page number 58 here, match the correct length is given. The exercise name is match the correct length. What it is saying, draw lines to match each picture with how long it can be. अब यहाँ पे हमें कुछ पिक्चर्स दी हैं एंड उसके सामने हमें कुछ लेंथ दिए गए हैं, हमें इन्हें मैच करना है. लाइक just see, I hope you all have done this. Now see, exercise name is match the correct length. Now here, those who have book, they can see that first one is an earthworm. Okay, just look here. This is an earthworm. Now you have to tell that what can be the length of this earthworm from these given lengths. ठीक? So beta, here I am telling you directly the answer. See, length of an. अच्छा, let me write first here. Okay, first one is earthworm. Earthworm. Second one is height of a child. Height of a child. Third one is width of a fingernail. Width. Wait, I have written wrong. Width of a fingernail. And then we have another one, length of a sari. Simply I am writing sari here. And then fifth one is distance from home to school. Distance from home to school. Okay, one side this is all given. Earthworm, height of a child, width of a fingernail, sari, and distance from home to school. Now see another side. Some land they have given. What are these? Let me write here. 2 kilometer. Then A1 is 2 kilometer. B1 they have given 5 meter. C1 they have written 10 centimeter. Then D they have mentioned here 1 centimeter. And then we have E1 is 1 meter. Now look here. What we have to do, see, this is the exercise that is given. Now, those who don't have book, they can also see this clearly, and now they can understand from here. And those who have this exercise in their book, so they can simply do there only. Okay? अब इसमें क्या दिया है बेटा? One side in one portion they have just written the name of some object, and another side they have written length. Okay? And now we have to match these objects with these lengths. Now we have to guess. Okay, कोई हमें एग्जैक्ट नहीं है, पर हमें थोड़े से गैसेस करने पड़ेंगे कि कितना हो सकता है. So now see, earthworm हमारा इसमें से कितना हो सकता है? देखिए 1 centimeter, you know that it is very small, and then another unit in centimeters is of 10 centimeter. ठीक है, because meters अगर हम देखेंगे तो meters is too long. इतना लंबा earthworm तो हमने नहीं देखा. इतना लंबा तो हमारा स्नेक ही हो जाता है. तो बेटा when we have to see about earthworm, तो earthworm हमें पता है होता है, लॉन्ग होता है, पर इतना लॉन्ग भी नहीं होता कि हम मीटर्स में लें. Now we have to check those number where centimeter is given. अगर अब हम सेंटीमीटर्स को देखें तो we have two numbers, 10 centimeter and 1 centimeter. अब देखिए, you all know how to check centimeter. स्केल आपके पास होता है. Just think कि अगर आप 1 centimeter किसी चीज को मेजर करते हैं तो वो कितना छोटा सा हो जाता है. इतना छोटा earthworm भी नहीं होता. It means probably earthworm is about 10 centimeter. तो C वाले में हमारा क्या आ जाएगा? फर्स्ट आ जाएगा. Earthworm is about 10 centimeter. Another is height of a child. Height of a child. अब देखिए height को आप या तो सेंटीमीटर्स में मेजर कर सकते हैं या मीटर्स में मेजर कर सकते हैं. अब सेंटीमीटर्स में तो बहुत छोटी हाइट आएगी. तो देख लेते हैं सेंटीमीटर में हमारे पास कितने यूनिट हैं। सेंटीमीटर में अब सिर्फ 1 सेंटीमीटर है, एंड अगर हम मीटर्स में देखें तो हमारे पास 2 हैं, एक है 5 मीटर और एक है 1 मीटर, राइट। ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस। When I am saying about height, then we can measure height in 2 units, right? Either in centimeter or in meters. Now let's check the options. अब हम options को देखते हैं। जब हमने options को देखा तो हमें क्या पता चला कि height जो है हमारी, यहाँ पे हमें चेक करना है सेंटीमीटर के लिए सिर्फ एक ऑप्शन है जहाँ पे 1 सेंटीमीटर लिखा गया है, और मीटर्स के लिए 2 ऑप्शंस हैं जहाँ पे 5 मीटर लिखा गया है एंड 1 मीटर लिखा गया है। नाउ जस्ट ट्राई टू थिंक ओवर इट दैट हाइट कैन नॉट बी ऑफ 1 सेंटीमीटर। 1 सेंटीमीटर हाइट तो नहीं हो सकती ना, इतनी छोटी हाइट तो किसी की भी नहीं होती। यू नो व्हाट इज 1 सेंटीमीटर मेजरमेंट, यू हैव सीन दैट इन scale also. Okay, now just think. Now we have 2 options, either a 5 meter or a 1 meter. Now just think about this कि 5 meters. 5 meter means too long. Okay. So and here we are discussing about height of a child. किसी बच्चे की height. So we have to see at present now from 2 options, that is 5 meter or 1 meter. Our correct option is 1 meter. Our correct answer is 1 meter. Why? Because 5 meter is too long and a child height cannot be of 5 meter. Yes. So here second one will be this one. Now another width of a fingernail. Width of a fingernail means fingernail की चौड़ाई. अब आपको पता है, I have told you in this way we used to see the length and in this way we used to see the width. अब अगर आप अपने नेल की चौड़ाई देखेंगे तो सिंपली इट इज टू स्मॉल, ये तो आप इसके से मेजर करके भी देख सकते हैं, एंड व्हेन यू विल चेक दैट टाइम यू विल फाइंड दैट इट इज ऑफ अबाउट 1 सेंटीमीटर ओनली। तो इसमें तो हमें कुछ सोचने की ज्यादा जरूरत ही नहीं है, इट इज अबाउट ऑफ 1 सेंटीमीटर। तो इसमें हमारा थर्ड आ गया 1 सेंटीमीटर। नाउ सी फोर्थ वन इज साड़ी। नाउ वी हैव ओनली 2 ऑप्शंस, one is 5 meter and another one is 2 kilometer. Okay, सिर्फ 2 ऑप्शंस बचे हैं, एक हमारा 5 मीटर है, एक हमारा 2 किलोमीटर है। नाउ जस्ट थिंक, कैन वी मेजर साड़ी इन किलोमीटर्स? Is it possible to measure साड़ी in kilometers? No, because what I have explained to you, we measure distance in kilometers. So it means that simply we have only one option and that is 5 meter. So the length of a sari is about 5 meters. So here fourth option is there. This one. Okay. Now last but not the least, that is distance from home to school. Distance from home to school is measured in kilometers only. First thing, एक तो हम किलोमीटर्स में ही मेजर करेंगे। दूसरी चीज बेटा, अब देखिए डिस्टेंस तो किलोमीटर में मेजर होगा, लेकिन अब इसने यहाँ पर हमें 2 किलोमीटर्स ही क्यों दिया? इसका इसलिए दिया बिकॉज इफ यू हैव बुक सो यू कैन चेक देयर कि उसने हमसे पूछा है, एक चीज हमारी 25 किलोमीटर है और दूसरी चीज हमारी 27 किलोमीटर। मीन्स अगर हमारा हाउस अबाउट 25 किलोमीटर है तो हाउस से स्कूल का डिस्टेंस हमारा 27 किलोमीटर आता है। अब 25 से 27 किलोमीटर अगर आप काउंट करेंगे तो आफ्टर 25, 26 एंड 27। ओके, सो कितना डिस्टेंस कवर हो गया? 2 किलोमीटर। दैट्स व्हाई हियर दे हैव गिवन द ऑप्शन 2 किलोमीटर। सो डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम होम टू स्कूल इज 2 किलोमीटर एंड दिस वन इज 5। सो नाउ यू कैन सी हियर दिस वेरी क्लियरली। ठीक है, क्या था? अर्थवॉर्म, लेंथ ऑफ अर्थवॉर्म इज अबाउट 10 सेंटीमीटर, height of a child is about 1 meter, width of a fingernail is about 1 centimeter, sari length is about 5 meter and distance from home to school is about 2 kilometers. So here we have discussed one exercise related to this chapter and this exercise is given in page number 58. Okay, this exercise is given in page number 58 and here we have discussed this exercise. Now, open page number 59 of your book. Okay, open page number 59 and let's see what is given here. Now you can see in page number 59 one story is given. Okay, this is page number 59. You can see clearly this is page number 59 and in this page number one story is given. So let's see the long tail competition. क्या लिखा है? The long tail competition. अब अगर हम यहाँ पे स्टोरी का नेम देखें, so बेटा here we are getting some idea by reading this name कि यहाँ पे कुछ टेल के ऊपर कंपटीशन चल रहा है. किसके ऊपर कंपटीशन चल रहा है? टेल के ऊपर. टेल मीन्स पूंछ. इसका मतलब किसकी पूंछ लंबी है. जो कंपटीशन चल रहा है it is according to the it is based on tail, the length of a tail. Let's see what is given here. You also start reading after me, okay? The animals in the picture had a competition, okay? The animals in this picture had a competition. The animal who had the longest tail won a prize. वो animal जिसके पास लॉन्गेस्ट टेल होगी वो क्या करेगा? जिसके पास लॉन्गेस्ट टेल है उसे प्राइज मिल चुका है. आपको ये नहीं बताना कि ये नहीं देखना है कि किसे प्राइज मिला है. यहाँ ऑलरेडी कंपटीशन हो चुका है. एज यू कैन सी द गिवन सेंटेंस इज इन पास्ट टेंस. सो यू कैन सी द एनिमल हु हैड द लॉन्गेस्ट टेल वॉन अ प्राइज. जिसकी लंबी टेल थी उसे प्राइज मिल गया. नाउ Who do you think won the first prize? अब आपको इस पिक्चर को देख के क्या लगता है कि किसको ये प्राइज मिला होगा? And who won the second? और सेकंड प्राइज किसे मिला होगा? ठीक है, this is the question. After this, what it is saying? Just guess the length of the longest tail. अब आपको क्या सोचना है कि जो longest tail है उसकी लेंथ कितनी होगी? Okay? So बेटा, as you can see here, these are the animals and they have tails and you have to guess कि किसकी tail लंबी होगी. So here I am telling you simply the answer. As you can see here, monkey is there, pig is there, cow is there and elephant and lizard. Okay, these all animals and animals are there and now we have to decide कि इनमें से किसकी टेल लंबी है. So see, in this, what you have to do, simply just see the picture because here we can only guess. उसने simply आपको क्या बोला है? Guess करने के लिए बोला है. They have not asked a particular measurement. कोई particular measurement नहीं पूछा गया है, guess करना है. So according to our guess, what we get that monkey won a first prize. मेरे हिसाब से इसमें क्या आना चाहिए? monkey. Monkey won a first prize. Monkey won a first prize. And second one, first in this way you can write so that no confusion should be there. And second is then cow. Cow won a second prize. Cow won a second prize, okay? First prize is of monkey and then cow won a second prize. Correct? समझ में आ गया? इस पिक्चर के अकॉर्डिंग मंकी को फर्स्ट प्राइज मिलेगा क्योंकि उसकी टेल लंबी है बाकी एनिमल से. और अगर उसके बाद हम देखें then we found that cow has the longest tail as compared to other. Okay, after monkey. So this is the exercise. This exercise is given in page number 59. It is so simple. So beta, now see here we have discussed so many things. Okay. Now and here we have completed our chapter also. So in this long and short, we have learned several things. We have learned how to measure the thing, how to decide that which object is smaller and which object is longer. And for deciding this, we need a standardized method. Standardized method मतलब जो चीज मेरे लिए 5 सेंटीमीटर है वो चीज आपके लिए भी 5 सेंटीमीटर ही होनी चाहिए. मीन्स हमारे जो मेजरिंग ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं वो एक से होने चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि किसी चीज को अगर मैं 10 सेंटीमीटर मेजर कर रही हूँ तो आपके अकॉर्डिंग वो 8 सेंटीमीटर होगा. नो, तो वो हमारा इट मीन्स जो हमारा मेजरिंग ऑब्जेक्ट है जिसकी हेल्प से हमने किसी चीज को मेजर करा है वो रॉन्ग है, क्योंकि हम जब भी मेजर करते हैं ऑब्जेक्ट्स को, किसी भी आइटम को जब हम मेजर कर रहे होते हैं तो वी हैव सम स्टैंडर्डाइज्ड इक्विपमेंट्स जिनकी हेल्प से हम मेजर करते हैं, हमें हर जगह वो चीज एग्जैक्ट मिलती है। सपोज जैसे अगर मैंने आपको एक लाइन सेगमेंट बनाने को दिया, अगर वो लाइन सेगमेंट मैंने आपको 4 सेंटीमीटर का दिया है और जब आप मुझे चेक करने को देंगे तो डेफिनेटली वो 4 सेंटीमीटर का ही होगा, वरना मैं जब उसे मेजर करूं और वो 6 आ रहा है और मान लीजिए आपने उसे 4 मेजर किया है तो ये तो रॉन्ग हो जाएगा ना, आपके अकॉर्डिंग वो 4 है, मेरे अकॉर्डिंग वो 6 हो गया, इट मींस इट इज रॉन्ग। तो ऐसा कभी नहीं होता। दैट्स व्हाई वी यूज सम पर्टिकुलर things for measuring, and these particular things are like scale which help us in measuring in centimeters, another thing we have measuring tape which help us in measuring in meters, and then we have distance that we use by that we measure by using unit kilometers. Okay, and then we have done several activities, we have done several exercises that is given in your book, and here we have also learned one more thing, that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. This also we have learned through this chapter. Okay, these all things we have learned, and today here we have completed this chapter. So beta, now whatever is given for activity, kindly do that activity, and whatever the parts I have made of this chapter, you have to see all that parts so that you can able to understand whole chapter easily, so that you can able to understand the concept of measuring, and whatever we are providing you in PDF, kindly complete all that work in proper time, don't leave things pending. Okay, thank you and have a nice day ahead.